Algorithmic trading is revolutionizing the financial markets. This innovative approach leverages the power of computer algorithms to make trading decisions at speeds and efficiencies that human traders simply cannot match. It uses computer programs to execute trades based on predefined rules, which can be as simple or as complex as the trader desires. This removes human emotions from trading decisions, eliminating biases and errors that can arise from fear or greed. Python for Algorithmic Trading Cookbook by Jason Strimpel is an excellent guide for anyone wanting to master this field. It is particularly useful for those who are new to programming or algorithmic trading. The book provides a practical approach to building and implementing successful trading strategies, offering real-world examples and detailed explanations. This book is more than just theory. It bridges the gap between academic concepts and practical application. It offers a hands-on experience, allowing readers to actively engage with the material and test their strategies in real time. Readers will learn by doing, following the cookbook style. Each exercise builds on the previous one, reinforcing key concepts and techniques. Each chapter presents a specific problem and provides a step-by-step solution, making it easier for readers to understand and apply the knowledge in their own trading endeavors. Python is a popular choice for algorithmic trading. This is due to its simplicity and versatility. The language is relatively easy to learn, even for beginners. Python also boasts a rich ecosystem of libraries specifically designed for data analysis and financial modeling. Libraries like pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn are essential tools for every algorithmic trader. Pandas simplifies data manipulation and analysis. NumPy powers mathematical operations, crucial for financial calculations. Scikit-learn provides machine learning algorithms for identifying patterns in market data. Python for Algorithmic Trading Cookbook stands out for its practical approach. The book breaks down complex concepts into manageable recipes. Each recipe addresses a specific aspect of algorithmic trading. It provides clear instructions and code examples to guide the reader. This method makes learning engaging and effective. Readers can immediately apply what they learn. The cookbook format ensures that even complex strategies are easy to grasp and implement. Section 4. Essential knowledge from data to deployment. The book covers the entire process of algorithmic trading, providing a comprehensive guide for both beginners and experienced traders. It starts with data acquisition, teaching readers how to gather essential financial data from various sources. Readers learn how to access free market data using the OpenBB SDK, a powerful tool for financial data analysis. The book then dives into data storage and management using SQLite, HDF5, and ArcticDB, ensuring that readers can efficiently handle large data sets. Strimpel then guides readers through strategy design, helping them create robust trading strategies. This includes identifying alpha factors and generating trading signals using SciPy and stats models, two essential libraries for statistical analysis. The book emphasizes the importance of backtesting, a critical step to validate the effectiveness of trading strategies before live deployment. It teaches how to evaluate and optimize strategies using VectorBT and Zipline Reloaded, ensuring that strategies are both profitable and reliable. Finally, the book covers live deployment, guiding readers through the process of executing trades in real time. Readers learn to use the Interactive Brokers API to stream real-time data, execute trades, and manage portfolios, making the transition from theory to practice seamless and efficient. Section 5. Embark on your algorithmic trading journey. This section is designed to guide you through the exciting and dynamic world of algorithmic trading, where technology meets finance. Python for Algorithmic Trading. Cookbook is a valuable resource. It provides a step-by-step approach to mastering algorithmic trading using Python, one of the most popular programming languages in the financial industry. It caters to both aspiring and experienced traders. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your trading strategies, this book has something for everyone. Python developers new to trading will find a comprehensive guide to financial markets. The book breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand sections, making it accessible for those new to the field. Traders with some experience will learn how to leverage Python for automated trading. It covers advanced topics and techniques that can help you develop more sophisticated trading algorithms. The book assumes basic Python knowledge. However, it also includes a refresher on Python basics to ensure that everyone can follow along, regardless of their current skill level. However, even beginners with programming experience can follow along. The book is structured in a way that gradually builds your knowledge, making it a perfect starting point for anyone interested in algorithmic trading. It offers a practical and accessible entry point into the world of algorithmic trading. With real-world examples and hands-on exercises, you'll be able to apply what you learn immediately. To start your journey, the book can be purchased on Amazon and the Pact Publishing website. Investing in this resource is the first step towards mastering algorithmic trading and taking your trading skills to the next level. Thank you for watching.